Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be grilling some salmon on cedar planks. I'm setting the Weber kettle up for indirect cooking. Just have some charcoal on either side of the plank. You don't have to use these little baskets, but it's best not to put the plank right over the flame. First, I'm going on with a little bit of my secret sprinkle. Then I'm going with some of this dill mustard. It's got a really good flavor. I don't usually use a binder on salmon, but when they're on the planks, I like to. Now I'm going to go on with some salmon rub from Trader Joe's. It's got some brown sugar, paprika, stuff like that in there. Now I'm going to slice up this lemon, and I'm going to set the slices on top of the salmon while I'm prepping my cedar plank, just to let a little bit of that lemon soak in. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set those underneath the salmon on the plank, just to create a little bit of space in between the bottom and the plank itself, just for some better airflow. I don't know if that really works or not, but that's how I like to do it. On my plank, I always like to go face down over the charcoal. Some people say it sanitizes it. I don't know, I just feel better about doing it that way. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and close this up, and I'll let these smoke on there for about 30 minutes. You can see they're up to temp now. Go ahead and move them out of the way and let them rest, and throw on some broccoli, some Texas toast. Gotta have some sides. Alright, you know what we say around here. You gotta eat, might as well enjoy it. If you like the video, go ahead and subscribe. We'll see you next time.